Hello everyone, I am Abhay Singh. I have completed my BTech in Environmental Engineering, which now offered as BTech in Civil and Environmental Engineering at KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Currently, I am associated with Tata Power as an environmental engineer trainee. Now let's talk about environmental engineering, a very one of its own kind degree, a very unique and with enormous opportunity in the upcoming future. I have done BTech Environment, which covers various aspects of environmental engineering, for example, soil waste management, wastewater engineering, environmental sustainability, etc. Currently, I am working with Tata Power, and now I am able to correlate my learnings from the engineering from my KIT institute to my workplace at Tata Power. And I am able to do this correlation only because the syllabus was up to date, industry oriented, and this all was possible because of the autonomous state of our institute, which is KIT. If I need to talk about faculties of our department, they have always mentored me, helped me out to make a right decision at right time, whether it's academic, whether it's my internship, or getting me placed at Tata Power. If you ask me to talk about KIT as whole, I must say that it is one of the best institute in South Maharashtra. It not only empowers you with the engineering and technical skills, but empowers you with your overall personality. One of the best things which I liked about KIT is that its supports and commitment towards development of entrepreneurship and innovation at institute by developing a startup cell, innovation cell, incubation center, and Idea Lab recently. At the end, I would just like to say, if you are someone who is passionate about environment and engineering, BTech in Civil and Environmental Engineering is the right course for you, and KIT is the best place to go with. Thank you.